Hey everyone, everyone, happy Valentine's, everybody. Okay. I'm about to show you the beautiful purse that my hubby got me. Oh my God, he's not romantic, but he got me this, guys. Very nice purse, and very nice, very beautiful, and very nice, guys. Very nice. So I'm gonna use it tonight. I'm gonna cut everything here and I'm gonna use it. Ooh, wait. This is the next thing. I'm gonna wear it today. Look. Oh, da-da. Do you love it? I love it too. It matches my ring. It matches the bag. You guys. Well, this was my happy Valentine, guys. Okay? This was my happy Valentine.
But you still upset, no flowers.
Mimi.
Tell him.
Why? Oh, it's falling. Can you help me put it? I want to show them. Oh. Quick. The video is... Yeah. You see, guys? Oh my God. Am I not cute? Ooh, look. Isn't it the same, guys? Thank you, guys. The necklace matches too. Look at me and my hubby on the TV screen. Oh my God. Ooh. Look. Walk into the room. It's very nice. This place is massive. It's beautiful. You don't want to wait to see the room. Oh my God. Look at this guy. See a restaurant.
You guys see this is a scammer?
And then he's holding a knife.
Why are you
Rice
hiding?
cooker. I'm gonna cook a rice.
Open the door.
You gotta get here.
Yeah, this is my boyfriend.
It's a beautiful
I
place,
stole it.
guys.
I'm just kidding. Okay.
Nice.
Now I'm turning this way.
Nice.
It's a very nice. What's the name of this?
It's a suite. It's a
Look at my
suite.
little restroom.
Oh, it's this type of a suite. Wow, it's a huge bed. It's a California king bed, guys. Beautiful.
With a mountain view.
Mountain view. Look at inside, guys. Look. What are you doing? You in the restroom?
Yeah.
Oh. You guys see this? Wait. Hello, my darlings. Hello, my sweeties. Hello, my darlings. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Hello, darling. Hello, my darlings. Can you see this room? Beautiful. Hello, my darlings. How are you doing?
So, right here we have a Switzerland-made Japanese Wagyu knives, these Armadiscus knives. So they do have a beautiful patina, as you can see. After 50 times it has been forged, it creates this beautiful pattern, and it's handmade just for your Japanese Wagyu.
Ooh. It's sharp here, guys. It is sharp here. Oh my God. So he ordered the most expensive the most expensive what? Steak? Wagyu.
Wagyu Japanese cow. Ribeye.
It's about to get here, guys. We're
It's gonna be tiny though.
There we go. There's the steak.
That is my favorite steak in the restaurant. Very good.
Yeah,
Crisp prosciutto, bechamel, breadcrumb, mac and cheese with black truffle. Boom, bon appetit.
thank you. Oh wow. What? It's delicious. Wait, why do you always order the big one, not the small one?
This one is $250.
And how much is this tiny food? Guys, look. Very expensive meal, dinner. Can't even see myself. Check this out. What is this? It's another fish. Wait. What is this? I forgot the name of this thing.
Very strong flavor.
Yeah. Okay, guys, thank you. I'm gonna enjoy this meal. This is dessert, guys. It's Dubai chocolate. Dubai what? Chocolate. Take a bite. Dubai chocolate. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe and share with your family and everyone you know. Thank you.